Good afternoon, students. Today we will start chapter 4, working with tables. So, a table is a database object that contains the basic information you wish to store. A table consists of rows and columns and used to store information in an organized way. In MS Access, a table can have a maximum of 225 columns with unlimited rows. There is no limit of the rows, okay? And you cannot save two tables with the same name in database, okay? As soon as I open MS Access 2010, this window will appear, and now I want to open an existing database file. So what I will do, I will go to File tab and click on the Open option from the drop down list, and I will select the database file that I have saved in the computer, okay? After opening the database, okay, existing database, what we will do, we will edit records in a table. So for editing, I need to just select any option, okay? As soon as I edit something, one pencil icon will be here in that row, okay? That means the editing is going on, and as soon as you just leave that particular line, the editing is done, okay, and it is saved. Fine. Now I will tell you hiding columns. So MS Access provides a feature which you can temporarily hide columns, okay? So to hide column, what you have to do is you have to select a particular column. You can just click on the field and the whole column will be selected, and after that right click and you will find various options, okay? From that choose hide columns, okay? I will do it again so that you can able to understand. Right click and click on hide fields, okay? See, previously address field is gone and now pin code field is gone. So now if you want to unhide the same column that you hided, then what you have to do is click on any field, then right click here. After hide fields, you will find unhide fields, okay? See, the list of columns will be here: ID, name, father's name, mobile number, address, city, pin code and date of birth. So those column you want to unhide, you just need to tick on the checkbox and close. See here, address column is here and pin code also. This is how you can hide and unhide columns in MS Access 2010. Next is freeze columns. So freezing a column in MS Access refers to making the selected column appear at the leftmost side in a table, okay, and make them visible at all times irrespective of the directions you scroll, okay? To freeze any column, what you have to do is you just have to click on the field name option, and the whole column is selected, and right click and you will get freeze field, okay? So the field named father's name is at the leftmost side in the table, okay? and now you cannot move this field anywhere. Okay, you cannot move any column when you have freezed any one column. Okay, so see, I can show you nothing is moving anywhere. Okay, because I have freeze the column, one column. Fine. So to unfreeze the column, what I will do is just select the column and right click and unfreeze all fields. Okay, then all the fields are unfreezed. Okay, then I will just show you that. See, it can easily move. Okay, any field can move anywhere. Okay, you can just select the column and move it. Okay, like when you freeze the column, then it will not move anywhere. Fine. So now I will tell you how you can insert a field. Okay, so here are few tabs: file, homes, create, and many more. So what you will do, you will just click on the table tools. Okay, there are two options, fields and table. Go to field option. Here one group is there, add and delete. You just need to click anyone. If you want data type to be text, then the field will be of text, and if you want it as numbers and currency, and you can do that. Okay, you can name it as well. Okay, when you insert any field, then the column will be inserted in the left side to the selected column. Okay, and if I want the field data type to be currency, then it is like that. Okay, this is how you can add more fields to your table. Okay, now I want to delete a field. So what I will do, I will just go to a particular field. Okay, and here under add and delete group, you will find a delete option, and I will click on delete. Okay, and one pop-up message will appear that do you want permanently delete the selected field. So click on yes, and that column is gone. Okay, this is how you can delete any field. And if you want to rename a field, what you will do, you will just click on the field. Okay, and you can click on name and caption. Okay, and you can change the name. Okay, and click on OK. So the field name is changed, you have renamed the field. And if you want to change or move the field, what you have to do is you just need to click on the field. Okay, and drag it to the other one. Okay, this is how you can move a field from one place to another. As you release the mouse button, the selected field will be placed at the new location. Okay, this is how you can move a field.